You're not gonna believe how much I've learned about my cough. I had this acute viral bronchitis, and my only annoying symptom was coughing. So I've started using this CoughPro app to track my coughs, and what I've noticed was that my daytime coughing started to decrease, which showed me that, oh, I'm getting better, right? But my nighttime cough became brutal at the end of the course of the disease. I was coughing like more than 100 times at 3 a.m. Imagine that. Sleepless nights. But seeing that my 24-hour cough rate was going actually down, it was just switching from daytime to more of a nighttime cough, reassured me that, okay, I'm getting better. So cough tracking was really useful to track my progress of bronchitis, and finally I'm healthy.